Hi, hope you're doing well. Now I'm going to explain the purchase agreements, procurement and sourcing, purchase agreement, purchase agreements. Purchase agreement is a contract, the commitment between the company and the vendor to buy a products in specific quantity and in specific amount during the some period of time. So the company getting some more discounts on the prices, everything. This is a purchase agreement. New, select vendor. Just I'm selecting the ABC vendor. Uh, Purchase agreement classification. This is like a what kind of like a purchase agreement we can classify. See here is as per the demo, it's already showing employee purchases, general purchase. If you want to create anything new, right click view details and you can create any kind of classification for yourself. Shush. Now I will take only this blanket purchase agreement. If you have any vendor reference number, you can enter vendor reference number and default validity period. What is this purchase agreement? What is the period of time? So just I'll make it this 20 days, 31st, 19 to 10 days. Document title, external document reference. If you want to put any specific name for this kind of for this purchase agreement, you can put it name, and if you have any reference number, you can enter the reference number. Default commitment. This is the one I'm going to explain now. Quantity commitment, value commitment, product category, and value commitment. Now I'm selecting the product quantity commitment. Parent purchase agreement, no need. Click OK. This is a product quantity commitment. It's a commitment for the company and the vendor. You can buy a particular specific quantity in a specific time. So they're giving some prices. In that price, you can buy specific quantity in particular time. This is the one. Product value commitment is to buy a specific amount in a particular period of time, the value. The product category value commitment, the any category you can buy a particular amount everything in a period of time. The value commitment, you can buy overall everything, either products or category, anything in a period of time, particular amount. This is the value commitment. Just I will explain. Add line. This is the purchase agreement header, purchase agreement lines. We can select the item, any item. Here we can select the general, display dimension, site and warehouse also we have to be enter. WMS I'll take it. The product one paracetamol, just I'll make it 5,000. This is a period of time already we entered. Effective date and expiry date. Just 55. If already anything existing price is there in the trade agreements, whatever we are entering here, it's overriding that one. Okay. Then go for the line details. This is showing the validity period, what we entering, the effective date, expiry date, the commitment, and max is enforced. We had to be enable this one because this is locking this one. Only 5,000 we can order. We cannot order more than 5,000. If you want to order, if you disable this one, it gives option we can order more than 5,000 also. So just we can I'll enable this one. Minimum release amount, no. The price and discount, if anything discounts you can enter here. The fulfillment, this is a quantity agreement, whatever the agreement is showing here. How many we create in the purchase order, how many released, how many received, how many invoice, everything is showing here. The report catch weight, it's related to manufacturing project. No financial dimensions, if you want to enter anything financial dimensions you can enter. The product dimensions, if you anything product dimensions you can enter if it's a product master product. Okay, so just 55 you enter 5,000. Then purchase agreement confirmation, confirm this one. Mark agreement as effective. If you enable this one it will going to be like effective. Now anyway I'll disable, I'll show. Okay, so the status here we can enable effective from now. Save. If you want to see the confirmation you can see here the purchase order confirmation. It has been confirmed how much is everything vendor, the down everything, the quantity. Okay, then you can release the order. How many items do you want to order? The purchase quantity. Just 5,000 we ordered. Just I'll enter 1,000. Create. Create purchase order. Automatic purchase order creation vendor account. The purchase order. The AMP 44041 has been created. The purchase order has been created here. If you want, you can check here related information. Release order lines. You can see the purchase order. You can open the purchase order from here. Yeah, this is a quantity 1,000 everything. And here you can see what are the like a purchase agreement is linked here. Update line attached. See here the quantity agreement is like a 5,000. This is a purchase agreement yeah, agreement ID 002. Okay, then is a normal procedure. Then you can go for the just confirmation, receive an invoice. So where we can check the remaining quantity after releasing the 1,000. Just refresh. See on the fulfillment, 4,000 remaining, 1,000 is released. Okay, this is for the quantity agreement. And one more thing I'll show, just duplicate. Procurement and sourcing, purchase orders, all purchase orders. See, this is a number, our agreement number, AMP 502. Click new. Vendor was ABC vendor. And when we are creating the purchase order, general purchase order, warehouse was non-WMS. Here the option is there, purchase agreement. Here also you can select directly. What is the agreement? Just also see this is the agreement. Just now we have created. Transfer currency and deliver us from the purchase agreement. Okay. Okay. Select the item. First item, quantity I put 500. Just save. Just cross check the fulfillment now. Just refresh. See now the remaining 3,500. Either anywhere you can do the purchase order. You can release here or you can do the purchase agreement link there also. Okay. This is for the quantity purchase agreement. Then next go new vendor. Same purchase agreement classification, blanket purchase agreement. Here now I am showing default commitment, the value commitment, product value commitment. Okay. Sorry, we forgot to enter the expiry date. Okay, this expiry date, effective period. Then the item, take one item, roofing, warehouse. See here the quantity is not showing now. It's not enabled. We cannot enter the quantity because here we chose the product value commitment. We can show, we can enter only amount. Just I will enter 100,000. So just I'll enter 10,000. So then confirmation, make agreement as effective. You can confirm here also, and you can confirm here also. The status is effective now. Then release the order. Just create. Your purchase order has not been created. Create. See, because it's the price, it doesn't come this one. What is the everything quantity? See, the purchase order 000043 has been created. Just you can go for the purchase order now. Just go back, refresh. This is 743. Enter the item number, site, warehouse. We entered 5,000 there, right? Just I'll enter here amount, the quantity 200, unit price 100. So I'll put 20. 20, yeah, unit price update. Okay. So 20, 100. See, the net amount is now 2,000. Just save it. Just cross check the here now. Just refresh. Under fulfillment, 8,000 is remaining, 2,000 is released. Okay. This is for the value commitment. Then go for the new vendor account, blanket purchase agreement, expiry date. So just put 20 days. Yes, sir. Here default commitment, product category value commitment. Click OK. Add line. Here you cannot enter the item number because only the product category option is enabled here. Okay. This AMP A&M pharmacy painkillers. Just click OK. Non WMS. Value 20,000. Then confirmation, mark agreement as effective. Okay, effective. Then release the order. Here also is doesn't come the purchase order because we have to add the quantity there. Just create. See the purchase order 44 has been created now. Just go to the purchase orders. Just refresh. 44. Just add line. Item number. Paracetamol. It's a category came automatic painkiller. Site quantity 100. Unit price 30. So the net amount is 3000. Just save. Go to the purchase agreement. Refresh. See the 3000 has been released. Remaining 17,000 is showing. Remaining 17,000 is showing. This is a product category value commitment. Then next one is total value commitment. New ABC vendor purchase agreement classification expiry date. This is the default commitment. We are taking the value commitment. Okay. The value commitment we can select either category or any products in a particular amount. This one specifying amount. Add line. It's taking the total category, the whole company, whole legal entity category. It's taking everything. Non WMS. The net amount just 30,000. Confirmation. Okay. Then release order. Create. The purchase order 45 has been created. Go back. Refresh. Purchase order 45. Just remove this one. Add line. Item number paracetamol. Warehouse. Quantity 300. Unit price is 30 each. The net amount is 9,000. Just refresh. Refresh. Then you can see 9,000 has been released. The remaining is 21,000. This is a purchase agreement setup, everything purchase agreement setup. Thank you very much, guys.